We're blue, yeah. Window, right side. Hit! It like bounced and got me in the side of the head. Dead man coming out! He's still in that window?
No, he's in the doorway now. Yeah.
There was a bunch of them into the left doorway. They're all huddled up right there behind the window.
I got window. I got doorway. Watch that doorway, man. Andrew, watch that doorway. Watch that doorway, Andrew. Watch that doorway. Nice, nice.
My bad.
Right there.
You dead? Are you gonna move, dude? I shot you.
I'm going.
I saw you run by. I got you.
Hit. 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 Hit.
Don't get trapped. You good? Dude in that doorway. Dude in the doorway.
Yeah, watch that doorway. Watch that doorway.
Friendly, friendly. You gotta shoot the kid in the white hoodie a couple times. You got the guy behind the car. That window's up. The back window's up.
Yeah, the both driver and passenger are coming down.
I got him. Behind the bookshelf like usual. You're good, you're good. Nice shot, nice shot. Hold on. Where are you going? Oh, you're good. I'm going to move up to the park. Yeah, you're good, Andrew. Hey, Andrew, back at the building. Right where he's in the corner. You can see his arm. I got him. Where are they at? I just walked out here. Where's he at? Over there? Yeah. Yeah, I got him. Watch out for that white arrow. There's another one. Okay, I couldn't tell who was, he's alive, but you guys are dead. I'll move back. I'll call that. Back up, back up. Back up, back up. Give him some room. Yeah, we backed off to see if they'd come out. Probably not a good place to... Can't tell which way my knee pad's going. I didn't hear the buzzer. There's no buzzer. I didn't hear a buzzer. Oh, okay. There's no one left? My bad, I just ran out and just like started shooting.
Oh my God, I'm on your team, I'm talking to the people.